to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, fresh details about the potential bestseller and best budget king mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A55. Samsung is reportedly working on a new Galaxy A55 5G smartphone, which has already been to the Bluetooth SIG certification. Yes, fresh details have emerged about the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone are revealed on the network, including specs, features, release date and so on. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Despite the temporary problems of Samsung's mobile division, the Galaxy A line from the brand remains one of the most popular on the smartphone market. A potential bestseller this year should be the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone. The company is also preparing for release or related model, the Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The device has already passed a number of certifications and appeared in several leaks, which revealed its release date and other features. Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy A55 release date. According to the resource Gizmochina, the release of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone will take place in second quarter of 2024. Now let's talk about specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone has model number SMA556E. It will feature a 6.5 inches OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. TUV Rhineland certification. The computing center of the device will be proprietary Exynos 1480 chipset with a graphics accelerator from AMD, and the power source will be a 5000 mAh battery with a 25-watt fast battery charging speed. The Samsung Galaxy A55 cameras will offer a 50-megapixel main camera sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera sensor. At the front, there will be a 32-megapixel front selfie camera. It is also known that the smartphone will support wireless connections via Bluetooth 5.4. Yes, the Galaxy A55 5G has appeared in the Bluetooth SIG database with model number SMA556E. In addition to the name, it also confirms support for Bluetooth 5.4. Once certification has been passed, the release of the smartphone is already close. According to the resource Gizmochina, the release of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G smartphone will take place in second quarter of 2024. The price of the Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone has not yet been announced. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.